5 raised to power x plus 2 is equal to 6 raised to power x. What is the value of s? Hi everyone, welcome to my class. In this class, we want to find the value of s from this equation. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Solution. The left hand side is 5 raised to power s plus 2 and the right hand side is 6 raised to power s. Let's take the natural log of both sides, or let's take the natural log of both sides, that is ln of 5 raised to power s plus 2 is equal to natural log of 6 raised to power x, and this is s plus 2 natural log of 5 is equal to s natural log of 6. Now let's open the bracket with this ln of 5, that is s natural log of 5 plus 2 natural log of 5 is equal to s natural log of 6. Now let's collect like times. S natural log of 5 minus s natural log 6 is equal to minus 2 natural log of 5. S is common, let's bring it out. Bracket natural log of 5 minus natural log 6 is equal to, this can be written as natural log of 1 over 25. Then we are looking for the value of s. Let's divide both sides of the equation by natural log of 5 minus natural log of 6. S bracket natural log of 5 minus natural log 6 divided by natural log of 5 minus natural log of 6 is equal to natural log of 1 over 25 divided by natural log of 5 minus natural log 6. This will cancel this. S is equal to natural log of 1 over 25 divided by natural log of 5 minus natural log of 6. Then note this, that if you have natural log of a minus natural log of b, this is equal to natural log of a over b, and s is equal to natural log of 1 over 25 divided by natural log of 5 over 6, and this is the final answer. If you enjoyed the class, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.